Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus for shawarma. Begin by draining chickpeas and reserving some of the liquid, then add tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of salt to a food processor. Pulse while slowly streaming in olive oil and reserved liquid until smooth. Adjust seasoning with cumin and more lemon. Chill briefly before serving so flavors meld and texture firms up for easy spreading. Avoid overworking the processor to preserve a silky, not gluey hummus texture. Use ice water in small amounts to lighten the mixture while blending, and add reserved chickpea liquid to reach the ideal spreadable consistency. If you want ultra-smooth hummus, slip skins off a fraction of the chickpeas, or use high-quality tahini and a short high-speed blend. Taste and correct salt and lemon to balance the flavor for shawarma. Quick recommendation: if you're prepping hummus for shawarma meals, try leak-proof containers to keep portions fresh and prevent spills during transport. They make packing pita and sauces much easier. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple tips. I've put the product link and other deals in the description for your convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Build flavor in stages to complement shawarma. Start with tahini and lemon to create the base, add garlic for bite, then season with cumin and salt. Roast garlic for mellow sweetness, or use raw for sharper heat depending on your preference. Stir in a spoonful of yogurt or olive oil for creaminess if desired. Finish with a dusting of smoked paprika or sumac and a drizzle of olive oil to enhance aroma and presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.